Alright, I'm going to talk about how to install the chin mount and stuff. So just open the package, you get some wipes and a tether, and then here's the chin mount itself. Looks like it was 3D printed. Some nice 3M tape on the back. So, yeah. Right now, I have this on here. I got it from Amazon for like 10 bucks. It's okay, sticks pretty good, but I wanted something more of a direct fit that's smaller. So, yeah, I'm gonna take this off and then put the chin mount on there. So I've got a little heat gun, just super simple. So what I'm gonna do is heat all these adhesive pieces up and then kind of try to peel it off there and then heat the chin mount up and then put the chin mount on there. So. So should just be able to lift it off. Tether's getting in the way. Alright. Yeah, so there it is. It's off now, and then I'm gonna put the chin mount on here. So I'm gonna take this tether off because I don't like the red, so I'm gonna put the black one that the chin mount comes with. I'm gonna throw that one on. Here's the chin mount. Open this up and wipe it off real quick.
Here's the stickers it comes with. It also comes with an instruction manual. So.
Alright, so I'm going to take the sticker off, 3M tape. I'm going to heat this up pretty good. Should be good enough. Find out where I want it. Alright, it's on there now, so I want to push it pretty hard.
Push it down for a couple minutes, make sure it doesn't go anywhere.
Alright, so it fits really well. It's not going anywhere. Perfect fit. My tether mounts here, and then I'm using a piece of like the command strip that you just stick on there. Mic comes through here, and it's clipped onto the mic for the other headset I have, so if you can see both the mics in there. Yeah, that's how mine set up, and then I use the GoPro mic adapter for it. Alright, had to run inside and grab a couple extra pieces, so I've got both of these. I don't know which one's gonna fit. So I'll try this bigger one first. maybe not. There it goes. So we got that one set up like that. And then put the GoPro in. I think that'd work really well. I can still access everything up here. So, alright, camera kept falling over, so I had to move it. I got this little command strip. It's the same one I had on before. So took that off. Gonna put this one on. This is on the back of the mic adapter, so I can just take it off and put it back on as I need to. Another thing you can do is use Velcro. So this makes it way easier than actually mounting it on there. Hook this up. There we go. So this can go right down here. So that's where I'm going to put it. If I put that there, put this up right behind it. So, a little extra room. Now, put this one here. Take off the tape. That'll work, I guess. Let's have it on this side. Anyway, I'm gonna push this on, make sure it's all good on there. Hook that up. Mic up back here. So that's all hooked in there. And then that's on the other side. So that's what that looks like. Pretty good. Chin Mount's not gonna go anywhere. The mic holds on pretty good. So yeah. Alright, I guess that's it. Thanks.